Copyright disclaimer. Under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, education and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Welcomes to Chartered Accountant channel. Today taking about CA Foundation. The Institute of Chartered Accountant of India prescribes the CA Foundation 2022 study material on its official website, icai.org. Candidates can download the study material of CA Foundation 2022 in PDF form. The study material is available under the ICAI Board of Studies, BOSS, Knowledge Portal. CA Foundation Study Material 2022 consists of topics and subtopics covered under the syllabus of CA Foundation exam. Therefore, CA Foundation study material plays a vital role and helps candidates in theory preparation for CA Foundation exam. Read through the article to know how to download the CA Foundation study material 2022 including other relevant resources. ICAI has released the applicable study material for the May 2022 CA Foundation exam. Candidates should go through the CA Foundation 2022 study material. It provides detailed information on the subjects and topics included in the syllabus. Therefore, it is important for the candidates to align their preparation with the CA Foundation study material. How to download CA Foundation 2022 study material. The candidates can download CA Foundation study material 2022 by following the given steps below. The study material of CA Foundation is available in PDF format. Step 1. Go to the official website ik.org. Step 2. Click on Student section and go to BOSS Knowledge Portal. Step 3. Click on Foundation Course under New Scheme of Education and Training. Step 4. The list of CA Foundation papers will be displayed. Step 5. Click on each paper to get chapter-wise study material. Step 6. Download and save the study material in PDF format. CA Foundation Paper 1, Principles and Practice of Accounting, Module 1, Chapter 1, Theoretical Framework. Unit 1, Meaning and Scope of Accounting. Unit 2, Accounting Concepts, Principles, and Conventions. Unit 3, Accounting Terminology, Glossary. Unit 4, Capital and Revenue Expenditures and Receipts. Unit 5, Contingent Assets and Contingent Liabilities. Unit 6, Accounting Policies. Unit 7, Accounting as a Measurement Discipline, Valuation Principles, Accounting Estimates. Unit 8, Accounting Standards. Unit 9, Indian Accounting Standards. Chapter 2, Accounting Process. Unit 1, Basic Accounting Procedures, Journal Entries. Unit 2, Ledgers. Unit 3, Trial Balance. Unit 4, Subsidiary Books. Unit 5, Cash Book. Unit 6, Rectification of Errors. Chapter 3, Bank Reconciliation Statement. Chapter 4, Inventories. Chapter 5, Concept and Accounting of Depreciation. Chapter 6, Accounting for Special Transactions. Unit 1, Bill of Exchange and Promissory Notes. Unit 2, Sale of Goods on Approval or Return Basis. Unit 3, Consignment. Unit 4, Average Due Date. Unit 5, Account Current. Module 2, Chapter 7, Preparation of Final Accounts of Sole. Unit 1, Final Accounts of Non-Manufacturing Entities Proprietors. Unit 2, Final Accounts of Manufacturing Entities. Chapter 8, Partnership Accounts. Unit 1, Introduction to Partnership Accounts. Unit 2, Treatment of Goodwill in Partnership Accounts. Unit 3, Admission of a New Partner. Unit 4, Retirement of a partner, Unit 5, Death of a partner, Chapter 9, Financial statements of not-for-profit organizations, Chapter 10, Company accounts, Unit 1, Introduction to company accounts, Unit 2, Issue, forfeiture, and reissue of shares, Unit 3, Issue of debentures, CA Foundation Paper 2, Section A, Business Laws, Chapter 1, The Indian Contract Act, 1872, Unit 1, Nature of Contracts, Unit 2, Consideration, Unit 3, Other Essential Elements of a Contract, Unit 4, Performance of Contract, Unit 5, Breach of Contract and its Remedies, Unit 6, Contingent and Quasi-Contracts, Chapter 2, The Sale of Goods Act, 1930, Unit 1, Formation of the Contract of Sale, Unit 2, Conditions and Warranties, Unit 3, Transfer of Ownership and Delivery of Goods, Unit 4, Unpaid Seller, Chapter 3, The Indian Partnership Act, 1932, Unit 1, General Nature of a Partnership, Unit 2, Relations of Partners, Unit 3, Registration and Dissolution of a Firm. Chapter 4, The Limited Liability Partnership Act, 2008. Chapter 5, The Companies Act, 2013. CA Foundation Paper 3, Business Mathematics, Logical Reasoning, and Statistics, Chapter 1, Ratio and Proportion, Indices, Logarithms, Chapter 2, Equations, Chapter 3, Linear Inequalities, Chapter 4, Time Value of Money, Chapter 5, Basic Concepts of Permutations and Combinations, Chapter 6, Sequence and Series, Arithmetic and Geometric Progressions, Chapter 7, Sets, Functions, and Relations, Chapter 8, Basic Concepts of Differential and Integral Calculus, A. Differential Calculus, B. Integral Calculus, Part B, Logical Reasoning, Chapter 9, Number Series, Coding and Decoding and Odd Man Out, Chapter 10, Direction Sense Tests, Chapter 11, Seating Arrangements, Chapter 12, Blood Relations, Part C, Statistics, Chapter 13, Statistical Description of Data, Chapter 14, Measures of Central Tendency and Dispersion, Unit I, Measures of Central Tendency, Unit 2, Dispersion, Chapter 15, Probability, Chapter 16, Theoretical Distributions. Chapter 17, Correlation and Regression. Chapter 18, Index Number, Appendices. CA Foundation Paper 4, Business Economics and Business and Commercial Knowledge, Chapter 1, Nature and Scope of Business, Unit I, Introduction, Unit 2, Basic Problems of an Economy and Role of Price Economics. Mechanism, Chapter 2, Theory of Demand and Supply, Unit I, Law of Demand and Elasticity of Demand, Unit 2, Theory of Consumer Behavior, Unit 3, Supply, Chapter 3, Theory of Production and Cost, Unit I, Theory of Production, Unit 2, Theory of Cost, Chapter 4, Meaning and Types of Markets, Unit I, Meaning and Types of Markets, Unit 2, Determination of Prices, Unit 3, Price Output Determination under Different Market Forms Glossary, Chapter 1, Business and Commercial Knowledge, An Introduction, Chapter 2, Business Environment, Chapter 3, Business Organizations, Chapter 4, Government Policies for Business Growth, Chapter 5, Organizations Facilitating Business, Chapter 6, Common Business Terminologies. Thanks for watching. Keep follow learn more.